We're here at Loch Creran, which is in the Highlands of Scotland. Taziker have been working on the structural refurbishment of new Creagan Bridge. It's quite a remote area, but there's some great views of the surrounding area and Monroes, which makes the scheme all the more enjoyable to work on. Creagan Bridge is so important to the area. The old Creagan Bridge used to act as a railway structure going through the lochs. It carried the Ballachulish branch of the Callander to Oban railway line over the loch. Following the closure of the line, the structure lay semi-derelict for over 30 years before a scheme was devised to convert it for road use. The new bridge was opened at the start of millennium and allows motorists to avoid a 5.5 mile journey around the head of Loch Creran, highlighting its importance to the trunk road users and the local community. The paint system was found to deteriorate past its lifespan, and as such a new paint scheme was devised. The new paint scheme was devised to ensure the structure is fully protected and preserved from any corrosion developing on the metallic elements of the structure. Taziker was successful in bidding for the scheme, and we began works to refurbish the bridge at the end of August 2020, with the works taking circa 5 to 6 months to complete. The project will be 100% self-delivered by Taziker, from the scaffolding and encapsulation to the grit blasting and painting. So far, Taziker erected the full access scaffold to the length of the structure, as well as fully encapsulating the full scaffold. The encapsulation of the scaffold is required due to the high-risk nature of the works associated with undertaking grit blasting and painting. In Phase 3, we're undertaking grit blasting works, which is removing the existing fill and paint system from the metallic elements of the structure and obtaining the correct surface profile of the steel. This is important as the correct surface profile is required to allow the new paint to be applied and adhere to the structure. In a previously plastered area in Phase 1, we're applying the first coat of a 4-coat paint system. We have heaters on the site providing heat to the encapsulated area, ensuring the correct climatic conditions are achieved for applying the paint system. Any project is without its challenges, and this one has been no exception. The weather can be a real challenge up here. The temperature can drop, which isn't ideal when you're looking for warm weather to allow the painting of the structure. However, we have implemented appropriate measures to ensure we are achieving the correct specification. We'll be working right through the winter months, so fingers crossed there's not too much snow which could cause us further disruption to the project. The client has been great on site, which has helped the job to progress without any delays or disruption. They have been approachable with regards to any future possible issues arising on site, ensuring they're closed out straight away. As such, we have developed a real collaborative working relationship with the team delivering the project. We've come to the end of the project here at Creagan Bridge, and we're really pleased with the outcome and how it all went. The different disciplines have worked really well together on site to make sure the project came within programme and completed to a high standard. As a project lead, I was really pleased with the site team's endeavour and hard work to complete the works whilst maintaining the highest regards for safety at all times on site. We used our in-house specialist access division to provide us with the scaffolding over the course of the works. By using our own in-house specialist access division, we can ensure the project runs more smoothly at all times by using good effective communication both on site and within our East Kilbride office.
We self-delivered every aspect of the project, including the access, the steel work, the blasting and all the coatings work. The bridge provides a vital link between Oban and Fort William for the local community, hauliers and the thousands of tourists that visit the area every year. There were several environmental concerns we had to address during the project, including roosting bats and making sure we liaise with SEPA to keep the waterway clean and safe. We also engaged with the local community to provide employment opportunities throughout the duration of the contract. We were extremely happy to leave the structure in a fantastic condition for years to come.